He had taken this massive chunk of time and had broken it down into small little bite-sized pieces. So to me, a 104.5 looked massive, so unachievable. That's ridiculous. There's no way I could do that. I was doing a 105.0. But as soon as he broke it down into bite-sized pieces, it made the goal achievable. So when you're looking at achieving the goals that you want to achieve, aim high. Go as high as you possibly can. Go crazy. Have really crazy out there dreams that people laugh at them because they're so big. And then break it down. What can you do today? What can you do tomorrow? What can you do in a week, a month, a year, 2 years, 3 years? And break it down, because it'll feel smaller and it'll feel achievable. And you know what? The more you break it down, the more you work towards it, the more likely you are to achieve it.